Hey guys, back here with part 2 of box 2 of my 88 Topps football. Doing another stack of wax here. So, here we go. Still watching the draft, so. And the Dolphins are picking right now. Juwan James just went to the Dolphins. A nice Charles White, that's not miscut. Very nice, right on front, a very miscut Testaverde rookie. Can't believe how bad that is. That is horrible. Look at that thing. That is a horrible miscut. Jeez. We got Daryl Green. And a Lofton. That's one of the worst cards I've seen in a long time. Mark Clayton. And there's those guys again. They're always together in the packs for some reason. Mike Singletary. Roger Craig. I just wonder where Johnny Manziel's going to go. If he's going to drop to the second round. Which I think would be hilarious. I'm just waiting for my Packers to pick. They are after the Saints, who are on the clock right now. We got William Perry, Herschel Walker. Got 3 rookies in that pack. Very nice. Oops. Nice Christian Okoye right there. Very cool. John Elway. Another rookie. Kurt Warner. Not a bad pack at all. 2 more packs for this part. The Bengals. I think I still need a Bengals team card. I know I need the Raiders with Bo Jackson. Very nice. Marcus Allen. There, and like this. They say that this Mark Jackson is a rookie card, but as you can see, he was on the team in 1986 and 1987. But they say that is a rookie card. Why is that? I don't know. Last pack for part number 2 here. Kellen Winslow, Art Monk. Roger Craig. Alright guys, that will do it for part 2 of box number 2. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.